I'm gonna dookie on your forehead. You won't even see it coming.
Yeah, dude. I swear to God, I'll come all over you.
Dude, I'll come. I'm so stoked to go to a track day and watch a bunch of masculine men hit corners and then get fucked.
Oh, wearing tight leather, bro. Basically like gym bro.
It's gonna be a fucking Brokeback Nature trail.
What are you doing to my asshole, senpai?
Fucking, what are you doing to my asshole?
Or just you?
It's just fucking me. He's digging in me, bro. Oh, dude, there's free food on the fucking ground. Look at that.
Oh, hell yeah.
Dude, people are just running it over. It's getting smashed.
I'm a low side on that shit, bro. To the city.
Oh, you should.
I'm gonna sue them. They owe me new bike.
Yeah, they owe me bike. I'm about to turn tofu into an R1.
But, oh, bro. Tofu paid.
Tofu paid. It's just fucking waving. I like dick.
I like cock. I'll suck you for $1.
Fuck you for $1. For legal reasons, this is a joke, Sarah.
Uh-huh. No, it's not.
No, it is. I swear to God. I swear to God. I don't like men whatsoever.
I think you guys don't actually joke, it's just passive aggressive.
It's not passive aggressive. We just sexually aggressive.
It's only physical.
Yeah.
I have relationships with women and sex with men.
That evens the balance because women are gay and the boys are straight.
Exactly, bro.
Yep. The scales of justice have been balanced.
Something like that. Sarah's just mad because she doesn't get to f my ass nearly as much as Flint does.
Yeah.
I don't want nothing to do with that part of you. I'm good, though.
You're so full of shit, you put a dude in the hospital. Don't be fucking cap.
What's up, fuckers?
That's not a nice word.
Dude, what if I fuck her your asshole, though?
Okay.
Okay. I see this. Well, who the fuck recorded?
Oh, record me, Daddy.
Oh,
Daddy,
oh my God.
I'm gonna shit on your balls.
Oh, shit on me.
Shit on my dick, Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Let's grip it and rip it just like I do my dick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good. Oh, car.
Into the gas station.
To the gay station?
Gas station, bro.
I can
It's like a PlayStation, but it sucks your dick, except it's just me, actually.
How much is it to purchase this feature?
Well, nothing, actually.
Fuck. We taking the lead. I'm not doing that again.
Goddamn.
You dead motherfuckers following us again. That was stupid. You almost got hit by a car.
I made it, didn't I?
No.
I had a big enough gap. Don't give me that shit. I was fine.
I can't face palm in a helmet.
All she's saying is, damn, he got short.
Don't put my short dick in your fucking mouth. Yo, hurry up.
Sorry, what were you saying?
I was saying I'm gonna put my short dick in your mouth if you don't hurry up.
Please do.
Oh, it's one of them fucking weird things.
It's a tricycle.
Does anybody give a fuck where we go?
No.
Hell yeah, dude.
We have 0 grams today, so we can go wherever we want.
No, but we haven't ate it.
Yeah, but 8
And we have a rack
Go
at
ahead.
250. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he'll keep up better than Aiden will.
Giving that bike a lot of credit, bro.
No, I'm not. I was just saying, Aiden is kind of a bitch.
I mean, so are you, but we don't complain.
I was talking about keeping up, Brennan.
I had to be throwing my little brother in the fat fucking group. I was like, yeah, don't die.
don't die. That's really the only requirement. Whose fucking Snapchat did I just hear? Oh, that was mine.
I was like, probably Walker's? No.
It's mine. It just sounded like it came from fucking, like, the intercom.
Oh, Blue 42, fuck my butt, Poppy.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Silverado 3500 8 turbo Duramax LTP Chevrolet is blasting through the 35. I bet his cock is huge, bro. Bro, I'm a torpedo to their back window.
I'm just gonna bust on their back window.
Can I jork you?
Oh, absolutely. You wanna hold it for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With my mouth, though. If I use my hands, it's gay, so I'll just use my mouth, bro.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Tell me, old dick! Tell me, old BB! Show BB!
Show PP now! Put PP out in my face.
You fuck suck BB!
You suck my cock! I'm trying to think if I want to try to hit a 2-lane road so Aiden can whip his fucking nooners. The light's green.
Oh, shit. Well, there's a bunch of people trying to have a pleasant, quiet evening eating and drinking, so I figured I'd you know...
Exactly.
That kid with AirPods in looks fucking shocked. I'm gonna teach you guys to do this, bro. Like that, no?
Oh, fuck, dude, you got the foot. Oh, shit, dude, calm down,
shit,
bro.
fuck.
You're gonna make me bust.
I should have gone for it. I should have went for it. Fuck!
What the fuck was that?
I feel like Bill Gates bubble by now.
Let's go, yo, we gotta go.
There's a dog! Oh, Jesus. I did not mean to fire a fucking gunshot, but I did.
Wow, bang! So I was like, bro, we'll take a shot!
Oh, shit! What you mean?
What you mean? What you mean?
That's a fast-ass bicycle. Oh, hey, buddy.
Fucking
Fucking...
fast pedal bike, bro.
Whoa.
I can't see shit.
Yeah. Hey, the fucking sun works. Did you know that?
Man, the sun is in fact bright.
Dude, you can tell the sun is out when the sun is out. It's fucking
I'm
nuts.
gonna have a stare down with that bitch, bro.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Is that how you ride motorcycle?
Yeah. Oh, bro, I'm about to get that fucking sick ass 2 down.
Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, dude, you look sick, dude. You don't look fucking stupid at
Oh,
all.
that was so fucking that was so good, bro.
It was so good, bro. Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, what do you mean?
Oh.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? Look like it, look like it.
Oh, fuck.
Trevor's Cardo is pooped its pants again. No, it's not. I kind of want to just kill myself. Why?
Why would you do that, Trevor? It's only a benefit to literally everyone you socialize with.
You know it's bad when Brennan is making Flint comments.
I'll take Flint comment as a fucking compliment.
Oh, they're breaking hard. Oh, they're...
Oh my God, Flint! Oh my God, dude! Oh, dude. You feel like every motovlogger just get fucking mad at him. Start taking mirrors, bro. He braked too hard. I gotta take his mirror.
Are you clouding my fragile ego right now?
Are you coming in my fucking ass right now? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, okay.
Oh, yeah. What? Mark.
Oh my God, Walker!
Walker?
I turned it off.
Hey, you didn't. I just heard it, bro.